Right, so as we can see, I'm in my office. Like I said earlier, I've got a lot of paperwork to sort out because I was supposed to do it last night, and stuff out of my control meant I couldn't do it. So I finished a bit earlier today. It's 3 o'clock now, but I've got all of these. So I've got all this paperwork here that I need to go through, get it all sorted. It's going to take a little while. So basically, what I do first is I go through everything, check everything, and I write all the costings on this bit at the bottom here. So I write all my costings, my travel, my labour, parts, all that good stuff. All goes on here. So I do all that for all of them first. Then I'll go through and I'll scan everything, save a copy on the computer, and then I'll email a copy to my customer. And once I've done all that with all of them, I'll then invoice everything. So then I'll send all the invoices. So I've got a fair amount to do. We're going to be here probably till 6 o'clock easy, I'd say. But I just thought I'd show you what I've got to do well, I do it on Tuesdays and Thursdays because they're the days I don't have to walk the dogs. Monday, Wednesday, Friday I walk them. Tuesday, Thursday the ex-missus walks them. So obviously I couldn't do them yesterday. Tuesday's usually the day I do everything I can. I couldn't do them yesterday for issues out of my control. I didn't get back home till late. So I thought I'd just quickly show you what I do and what I've got to do on a night, and it does take bloody hours. So then I'll go from here doing all my paperwork. I'll probably get some food. I'm hungry already, but I'll probably go make some food, and then it'll be on with editing all night. So this is pretty much my life. But I think we'll just, obviously it's going to take me hours and hours and hours. There's no point you sat there watching me do absolutely everything. So I think we'll just do a little montage, shall we? Yeah, cue the music. So you are just running out of battery, I've just noticed now, so I'm going to, I was getting into the groove then as well. I've got some good tunes playing in the background. Obviously you can see that my paperwork's all over the place now. These are jobs that are ongoing, so obviously I can't fill these out yet because there's more to do on these. Obviously these are the ones I've filled out. Still got all those to go. So I'm going to just go. Yeah, I'm going to just change your battery and we'll carry on. That should be it. That should be about where I was before. I should be able to see. I mean, I'm just going to fast forward it all anyway, so. Because obviously you don't want to sit here for 3 hours just watching me write paperwork, do you? No. So, going to carry on, get my music back on, get back into the groove. Yeah. we've been 45 minutes already and I haven't even finished filling out the job cards yet, so better crack on. Right, so I've just realised that I'd filled out quite a lot before I went on my holiday, but I just forgot one of my customers. You've got to phone them up and get it all authorised, each job. So I'd actually wrote all the jobs up, but I hadn't phoned them yet. So I'm going to give them a ring now. Yeah, I'm going to give them a ring now. Get them all authorised, but it's going to take a little while because I've got absolutely loads to go through, so they're never usually right happy with me when I ring up with all this. Oh, I was hoping it were going to be you. Hey up, Ryan.
Hey, how's it going today?
Yeah, not too bad, buddy. How are you?
Yeah, all good. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I was hoping it were going to be you because I've got a bit of a wedge of paperwork I need to go through, mate. I'm really sorry. I've just got back off my holiday this week, so I've got loads from before my holiday as well.
No worries, mate. Yeah, we can get that sorted for you. Give time to know what queuing, so even better, mate.
Lovely. Gives you a bit of a break as well, I suppose.
That's it. Well, but yeah, if you get more, let me know.
Lovely, mate. I hope you have a good evening.
And you, mate. Speak to you soon.
Cheers, Ryan. Bye bye. Yeah, he's sound. Of all the people that work at this company, they're all quite moody and seem a bit miserable. Now, you can imagine they're working in an office all day long, taking phone calls all day long and dealing with issues all day long. It wears you down, you know, it grinds you down, so a lot of them are bloody miserable. But he's always really jolly. Ryan, if you're watching this, mate, I like you, buddy. We could be friends. Anyway, let's crack on. So now I've got everything costed up. That's diag. No, we haven't. I need to ring somebody else. Right, yeah, I've just got a few more that I need to get authorised, but he's not answering his phone, so I think we'll just get cracking now. So everything here's been costed up, it's all been authorised, what needed to be authorised. So we've got a decent wedge here, quite a bit of money here actually. Probably at least 2 or 3 grand worth of jobs here. So, we've already been going, it's 4:10 now, we've been going since 3. So I think now, obviously, I might just go have a quick smoke, a quick ciggy. I'm going to make myself another coffee, and then I'll get on with scanning and sending everything. So, I just made myself another coffee, just having another sausage roll actually. It's quite fancy, but I'm getting a little peckish. Just had a quick cigarette, because obviously I've started smoking again and that's not good. And the vape's not really doing it for me now. Which is bad news indeed. So anyway, I'm going to go through all these now. I'm going to scan them all, save them to the computer, and then send them to my customers. This is where it gets a bit hectic because I get a few things going all at once and sometimes I can lose track of where I'm up to. Hey, but it is what it is. So, here we go. guys. Jesus. So it's 5:20. We've been going for almost 2.5 hours now. I've wrote them all up, costed them all, scanned them, I've sent them. Right? I'm getting fed up already because I hate computers. Now it's time for invoicing. Invoicing don't take us long. Thank frigging God. So we probably will be done, hopefully, before 6, but we'll see. Time we start? 3 o'clock. This is what I've got to do. This is what I've got to do. It's what it is. Right, let's get cracking. Oh, ran out of battery again. It's probably one of the longest things I've recorded this. It's taking bloody ages. It's 5 to frigging 6. Still haven't finished. Jesus. Settle. He's out on the town trying to find trouble. Oh, Jesus, shit the frigging bed. 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours. I hate computers, mate. I proper hate them. I get so digi and so like restless and like fucking legs are kicking shit and oh. Anyway, let's see how much we put in, shall we? 5,100. So I only thought we had a couple of grand, but we've had quite a bit. Obviously, I've been on holiday this month, so I haven't put barely any in really this month, and I've still got absolutely loads that are ongoing. I've got loads ongoing at the minute, like clutch ones and loads of big jobs. So yeah, and I'm waiting for some order numbers. Waiting for stuff to be authorised. So really, I've probably got another 3 or 4 grand here, just here next to me, and then we've still got like what 9 days, 8 or 9 days left of the month. So yeah, that was long though. That was really long. That was doing me head in. It really was doing me head in. 3.5 bloody hours. Hey, but not too bad, eh? Not too bad, I suppose. Put 5 grand in, I can't complain at that. I can't complain. What did we do last month? 11 grand last month. It's not bad really. It's just me working now. And as you can see, I only do paperwork maybe once a week at the minute because I'm that bloody busy. that bloody busy. But 11 grand last month. We're a bit down from this month. Obviously, I've been on holiday for a week, so yeah, not too shabba dabba ding dong really. Oh, I need to have a look at my taxes. Fuck.